Hello, this is real estate broker and rehabber Chris Haynes. Today we're discussing mortgage pre-approvals. I am going to give you my thoughts based on my experiences, but please confirm anything I mention regarding mortgages with a licensed lender. Getting pre-approved for a mortgage. Steps, benefits, and tips. If you plan to get a mortgage, one crucial aspect of this journey is getting pre-approved. This process not only gives you a clear picture of your budget, but it also strengthens your position as a serious buyer in the eyes of the sellers. In this video, we will walk you through the key points you need to know about getting pre-approved for a mortgage. What is a mortgage pre-approval? A mortgage pre-approval is an essential step in the home buying process where a lender evaluates your financial information to determine how much they are willing to lend you for a home loan. This involves a thorough assessment of your credit score, income, employment history, and debt-to-income ratio. Why get pre-approved? A pre-approval lets you know how much you can afford to spend on a home, helping you narrow down your search and avoid wasting time on properties outside of your budget. It also proves to sellers that you are a serious and qualified buyer, potentially giving you an edge over others. Since a lot of the paperwork is already completed during the pre-approval process, it can lead to a quicker closing timeline. Steps to get pre-approved for a mortgage. Start by reviewing your credit report and addressing any errors or areas for improvement. A higher credit score can lead to better loan terms and interest rates. Be prepared to provide documentation such as pay stubs, W-2s, tax returns, bank statements, and proof of assets to support your income and financial stability. Research and compare lenders to find the best fit for your needs. Consider factors such as interest rates, fees, and customer service reputation. Once you've chosen a lender, complete their mortgage pre-approval application. This typically involves providing personal and financial information for a thorough evaluation. After submitting your application, the lender will review your information and determine the amount you are pre-approved to borrow. This may take a few days to a couple of weeks depending on the lender's process. Once approved, you usually receive a pre-approval letter outlining the loan amount, terms, and any conditions that need to be met. Tips for a successful pre-approval process. Provide truthful and complete information on your application to avoid delays or complications in the approval process. Refrain from making large purchases or opening new lines of credit during the pre-approval process, as these can impact your credit score and debt-to-income ratio. Stay in touch with your lender throughout the process and promptly provide any additional documentation or information they request. Maintain good financial habits and keep an eye on your credit score while you search for your dream home. Getting pre-approved for a mortgage is a crucial step towards achieving your home ownership goals. By following these steps, understanding the benefits, and staying proactive throughout the process, you'll be well on your way to securing the keys to your new home. Get started today and turn your home ownership dreams into reality. Do you have any questions about getting pre-approved or any experiences to share? Please note them in the comments box below. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel.